Hello girls! Today we're going to create an unusual design. I'll show you how easy it is to achieve a colorful gradient in just a few seconds without using gel polishes. In short, we're going for vibrant nails. First, let's gather our pigments and get ready to work some magic. I have a brush with long and dense bristles and it must be perfectly dry. I've already set up the color palette for the gradient, and I'll start applying from the darkest to the lightest shade. Layering the colors adds depth and intensity, and we'll make sure the colors blend smoothly. After each color application, wipe the brush on a dry tissue to ensure the next color is clean. Then, I gently remove any excess pigment with a soft brush and duplicate the pink and purple shades. Now, here's a little secret for enhancing the pigment's longevity. Overlay it with a thin layer of base coat and you'll be delighted with the results. For the other nails, I'll cover them with an acidic yellow or even a mint green color, which my model adores. If you want the pigments or the color scheme to look even more vibrant, try using a milk-based base coat. This will make the colors simply enchanting and bold. Now, the finger on which we created the gradient is not yet finished. We'll add a beautiful print to it using black color, and here I think actions speak louder than words. Just watch how stunning it turns out. Next, I'll seal it with a glossy top coat for an even finish, and then I'll let it dry for 2 minutes. Once again, I'll refine the shape to achieve precision. And of course, we'll file the nail to the desired thickness to make it look more elegant. Using a soft brush, I'll remove any dust from filing, and voila. And just look at what we've achieved here. To be honest, I'm amazed myself at the wonders we can create with pigments. These nails look absolutely out of this world, especially under the sunlight. A huge thank you for watching this video. Be sure to hit the like button and let me know in the comments if you also work with pigments. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you won't miss any new videos. Well, it's time to say goodbye. I've been Anna, and until we meet again, take care.